It was a busy day at the Riverside site, with a fleet of essential toy trucks on the move.
Our friend, the evergreen container truck, and the little yellow dumper had a tough climb ahead.
Oh no! Tragedy struck! The evergreen truck overturned into the water. Its companion is trapped. The Indian oil tanker tried to help, but the deep mud proved too tricky.
A temporary setback. But the spirit of teamwork remains unbroken.
First on the scene, the powerful blue JCB excavator begins clearing the wet sand.
The yellow dumper shows off its agility, crossing the shallow current with ease.
The treacherous slopes always pose a risk.
Another accident. The evergreen truck falls again, this time into deeper water.
A lonely wait on the dry sand, with hope resting on the rescue crew.
Patience is key. The cavalry is arriving. A diverse team gathers for a complex mission.
The yellow JCB excavator meticulously clears a safe path.
Wait, what's this? A forgotten toy plane, buried under the sand. A surprising discovery.
Final checks before the big operation. A spectacular sight. The toy plane achieves liftoff, a true symbol of soaring hope for the team below.
The moment of truth. 5 rescue vehicles are deployed to save the submerged evergreen truck. Precision work. The excavators carefully coordinate to secure and lift the massive container. It's working. Step by step, the evergreen truck is being brought back from the brink.
The rescue field is quiet for now.
The journey continues, but navigating these large water obstacles is always dangerous.
Disaster has hit the yellow dumper. It's stuck fast in the thick, unforgiving mud.
Help is here. The blue JCB excavator moves quickly to provide assistance.
A perfect connection. The heavy-duty bucket hooks securely onto the dumper's frame.
With a tremendous pull, the dumper is freed from the mud's grasp. Another successful rescue.
Safe at last. The yellow dumper is back on solid ground, thanks to the unwavering strength of the team.
With the path cleared, the evergreen truck leads the way, proving that no obstacle is too great for this fleet.
The mission is a complete success. Together, they have conquered the mud and the rising tide.
The blue JCB takes charge one last time, escorting its smaller friend back to headquarters.
Another day of adventure ends. The riverside is quiet again, but the story of the evergreen rescue will be